Alright guys, well we ended up taking a little nap. So I can see fucking bed's a little bit messed up. But we ended up catching this short off this pinch candle right here, right? Formed a little bit of a double top. Went ahead, took that short. Now we're just trying to chase these lows of these past this zone up. Look for these lows down here, right? So that's what we ended up taking, bro. Fucking shit, dude. I'm still like, this trade's it though. This trade is it for sure, bro. After this trade, we're done, bro. We're not taking any more trades. Go ahead, open up the YouTube. So yeah, we ended up seeing that, bro. So we took that trade. Honestly, pretty good, bro. Little pinch at the highs, bro. Go ahead and beat this. So yeah, this is the trade we're in. See what's happening on the 1 minute. Tapped into that zone and that fair value gap. Dude. Zooey mama. I don't think I guess we would be worried about this fair value gap, right? Other than that, bro, go ahead and chill for this. Yeah, man, just wait for this now. Waiting. We are good stops, honestly, though, too, bro. Stops are above this zone, above this high, so stops are definitely there, bro. Yeah, we definitely didn't want it. So the reason why we didn't, we did not want to trade this, right? It was way too choppy. Did not want to get stuck in all this chop. We broke out of it, tapped into this zone up here. It's either going to be, we either see something down here or see something up here, right? Saw basically the pinch candle form on the 5 minute, right? You can see you got a few, this candle right here also helped us out too, right there, right? Went ahead, took that short, bro. So we're saying 15 minute. Yeah, honestly, I like the trade we're in. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit, but definitely do like the trade we're in. Now I'm fucking cold, bro. Fucking freezing my ass off right now. Fans are not even on. Oh shit, hold on, bro. We got power speaking. I didn't even look at it. I didn't see that power was speaking today, bro. Fuck. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put my shit in the dryer, guys. So I'm gonna be right back. I already put it in the dryer. I'm gonna just make sure that one of my hoodies is dried up real good. I'll be right back. Yeah, y'all can go ahead and look at this trade, bro. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Honestly, kind of weird. I don't know how I feel just yet about this. Let's say we're holding this 1 minute fair value gap and 5 minute fair value gap right down here. Oosh. But anyways, guys, yeah, bro, fucking yesterday we had took a Sunday trip. I'm trying to sound alive, bro. It's like in my fucking body going, bro. It's fuck, dude. Dude, I feel super, super lazy, bro. If that makes sense. Let me look at this cover this shit, that kind of makes it look good, bro. That's horrible. Bro, fucking. We went out fishing the other day, bro, and we caught zero fish. Just like for y'all, bro, caught zero fish. We did catch a sunburn though. Dude, but fucking, bro, we love fishing, bro, and it's funny because we can't catch shit out there, bro. Can't catch shit, not a damn thing, bro. That boy Sauce caught like 6 sticks, bro. This man, my cousin kept getting caught up on these damn trees, bro. And we could go, he would cast it, get stuck up on these damn trees and shit, bro. It was pretty funny, bro. It was a cool ass little day though, bro. Cool ass little day, bro. We all enjoyed it, bro. Definitely, definitely solid, bro. Let's see what's happening here, bro. And not really having much movement here, so we're kind of dying out on the selling. Don't really know why though. Really good 5 minute, good selling candle. Now we're just holding this previous 5 minute candle. Fair value gap candle. Really do hope we at least hold this zone right here. Stay underneath it, bro. We can hold that, reject off it. I mean, we should be good, right? But it's gotta go up though too, right? So if we hold this, good chance of us keep going down, right? Either if we do end up breaking it, we can still break down, which is be kind of a little bit more rough, I would say, rough around the waters. Yeah, we should go ahead and just see what happens here, man. Definitely, last trade of the day, bro. Go ahead and get our day started right after this, right? I would say fucking We do got fucking Powell speaking though, bro. Let's see. Pro mastermind. Bro. Y'all know fucking what's his name? Fuck, I don't even know his name, bro. I fucking forgot it. This man was like, bro, I just cracked the code, man. He's had to be profitable in stocks. Buy low, sell high. Bro, like what? Bro, shit, of course, bro. Of course you do that, bro. That's literally the whole point. Stocks. Fucking buy when it's low. I was like, you know what? Shit, that was some dumbass shit right there, bro. But for a lot of people, you know what I mean? That's like kind of like, you know, everyone does think that, so. And usually, I mean, that I guess so. You're most likely right, though. You know, a lot of these stocks are just always going to keep going up, so you just try to look for that pullback and go in and buy it. You know. All right, well, we're holding this, bro. Just trying to see, like, dude, this is where we should be dumping from. Definitely. We're gonna go ahead and some stocks going on. Also, we're looking at ASM today. We're being managed today, so we gotta wear slacks today, my guys. Okay. Put these soccer things on. Us. Bro, but hey, bro, I mean, there's a few of y'all in here, bro. So I mean, go ahead, ask me some questions, bro. If y'all got any, bro. If y'all are new, anything like that, bro. How long I've been trading, bro. Some shit, bro. Really, like, y'all want to type, bro? Go ahead, bro. Literally, it's cool, bro. I'm gonna be responding to y'all, bro. Yeah, bro. Do y'all trading for those 3 people watching, bro? Y'all be trading? Y'all kind of starting to get into it, or what's y'all's little thing behind trading, bro? Y'all think it's just stupid as fuck? Maybe y'all are just like, bro, this shit dumb, like it's gambling or what, bro? Like, what's y'all's inputs on this? Not on my trade, but you know, like on trading overall, man. I've been doing it for a while. Y'all just started. What's going on? What's going on? Definitely need to be breaking this fair value gap right here, guys. Definitely what we need to be doing. What's up, Jamal, bro? What's the analysis of this trade? All right, bro. So we went ahead. I'll tell you why. So right here, we're like basically kind of double topping this shit, right? Looks like we were rejecting the zone, right? We were slow, right? Started seeing, so basically the double top trade, right? Saw this 5-minute pinch candle, right? And that's basically why we entered, right? Did not want to enter in any of this, right? Was either waiting to go short on this just because this is our like second time tapping into the zone again, right? After all this bullshit going on, right? So I guess there wasn't really a lot of analysis going into the trade. I was just waiting all fucking basically all day, bro, for us to tap into this zone, see some type of rejection, which we have been seeing, and we're gonna be shooting for these lows right here on these stacked fair value gaps, right? We got a 15-minute and a 5-minute in these gray boxes, so that's kind of what we're aiming for. Yeah, dude, that's basically it. Only thing I would say, which is like kind of like, bro, what are we? It's like, right? Is this right here, Jamal? Looking at this 5-minute fair value gap right here, right? Which looks like we respected, right? But I do think we're gonna be breaking past that right now. Do you trade Euro USD? I do not, bro. I just trade NQ and ES, bro. Those are the only things I do trade. SPY also is also having a rejection at that zone that we got up top. So, I mean, it looks good, bro. Definitely stuck in some type of weird period, whether we want to go down or whether we want to go up kind of area right now. So it's like if we lose, bro, we lose, bro. I feel like it was a good trade. You know, I also got to realize I can't win fucking everything, right? So, bro, I'm not really gonna be tripping. But yeah, I would say, bro, this is the main thing that's like kind of like, ooh, Eddie, not too pretty right there, right? Definitely not, bro. As you can see too, 1 minute, look at all this rejection we got going on right here, right? A lot of rejection. What do you trade, Jamal, bro? You be trading what stuff do you trade? Do you trade Euro USD? I'm guessing you're not. I just do strictly. I have NQ charts pulled up and I have ES charts pulled up. That's usually what I trade. And I just, sometimes we hit a zone on ES, boom, good rejection. Sometimes we hit a zone on NQ that isn't on ES, right? So it's just kind of, I just like having both charts alongside each other because we do see some correlation going on between them most of the time, right? Well, I say like almost like 90% of the time, bro, that they usually do like to write each other on. I'm no expert, just want to help you out. There's a long right now Euro USD. Oh, see, bro, like I got you though, Jamal. Appreciate your help, bro. But yeah, I don't trade Euro USD, bro. So that's fire. Are you in a long right now on that Euro USD right now or what? No, I got you, bro. Yeah, no one's an expert. I'll tell like no one's really a fucking expert unless you become profitable, bro. So definitely, bro, if you're not, yeah, you're not an expert, you're just starting out, bro. Shit's fine, bro. Literally, just this shit. Like, I'm no expert either, bro. I'm not telling you, like, oh shit, I make fucking dang, bro. Like y'all will see if you go through my account. You see, I lose, I win. I'm really just break even a lot of these days, bro. This month, last month, a lot of break even. Month before too, break even, bro. We kind of just stepped into that kind of break even phase, bro. That's kind of where we're at on my trading career and shit, bro. But see what's happening right now. You are okay, solid, bro. Are you on prop firms too, Jamal, or not? Do you trade your own capital? Okay, there we go, Jamal. What kind of prop firms do you use? Do you use TopStep X too, or Apex and shit, bro? How long have you been trading too, man? Yeah, guys. So I'm guessing we ended up respecting this one right here. Fuck. Did not really expect that to happen. Yeah, prop firms, bro. Yeah, I really like Top Step, bro. Definitely. Like, this is literally the only prop firm I have been using. I use, and it's honestly good. But I have a couple friends that try to get into like Apex and shit like that, just so that they can stack accounts and shit. Since 4 years on and off with no learning. I used to follow some people on YouTube, and now I'm trying to learn. Okay, yeah, dude, no, that's good, bro. Definitely, let me reach one. What's it called? You said 4 years. You used to follow some people on YouTube, and I'm trying to learn. I mean, bro, that's all that you're trying to learn on your own kind of thing, bro. It's definitely solid, bro. That's how I learned too, bro. I learned from a lot of YouTube videos, you know what I mean? and basically just trial and error, finding out my own stuff too, you know. And like I would say, like some of the stuff I end up finding on my own. Someone's already has a whole video dedicated to it too, right? So it's like I guess I'm just training the same concepts as them too, right? But definitely, bro, started off with just learning how the whole market moves, supply and demand, and then I got into fair value gaps later on, right? And I was like, oh shit, like this shit low key cooking, right? Fair value gaps, learn that, breaker structures and all this other shit going on. But yeah, you're definitely solid. I'm broke as fuck right now. I lost a lot of stake. Pt.2 is the only cheapest one I can buy. How much is that one, bro? Quant Tick Tech was the only cheapest one I can buy. Nah, but I feel you, bro. I'm fucking broke too, bro. I mean, I'm like a manager, not really making bank as a manager. Right? I'm not like a fucking manager, but I'm like, I guess you could say assistant manager, right? So it's like we're still getting paid hourly. But yeah, this shit definitely, you know, plan is definitely, you know, hopefully, you know, be able to quit that. But we definitely got to be making some good trades before that even comes into play, right? 5K account for $13. Okay, that's not okay, bro. I haven't heard of that proffer. Do you like it so far though, or no, bro? Yeah, I've never heard of that proffer. 5 account for 13 to do that. That is pretty fucking cheap though, bro. Do you like the rules it got, or nah? It's just kind of cheap. Pro got school in June. Dude, that's fire though. Yeah, bro. Fucking hope you become profitable and all this shit, bro. What kind of concepts do you trade? Do you trade like TJR concepts, ICT, supply and demand? Oh shit. Fuck it up. Fucking all up in this fucking screen right now. It's good. I don't see any flaws. I know. Okay, yeah, dude, it's fucking solid, bro. And it's $13, bro. That's literally cheap as fuck. You know what? I'm gonna look into it, bro. I've never heard of this prop firm. We got a good selling candle right there. Say Quant Tech L. Let's see what it's all about. Damn, there's so much fucking pop-up ads, bro, going on. Okay. Nah, I got you, bro. Appreciate that, bro. Yeah, I have 3 accounts right now, bro. So I definitely don't want to buy any more just yet. I want to wait until we see how this shit goes right here, right? And we'll probably think about adding some more. I definitely want to pass these 2 evals I'm on. So I'm on my funded right now. I got these 2 evals loaded up, right? So the plan is just to kind of pass those 2, right? And then later on, bro, if I want to add another 2 accounts, we'll go ahead and add 2. But I definitely didn't want to just add like, oh shit, we got our first payout. Let's go ahead and buy as much as we can. Nah, definitely don't want to be in that kind of attitude. But I did want to buy 2 more just because I was like, you know what, bro, we have done pretty good, bro. For 2 months, especially in this bad market. Risk management has been pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and buy 2 more just because, like, first off, bro, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go buy 1. And I was like, next pair, I'll buy another one. It's just like, bro, like that's just gonna take way too long. And sometimes we just gotta take that step, bro. You know what I mean? Like I'm here waiting for the perfect time, and sometimes that perfect time ain't ever gonna happen, right? So I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and buy it, bro. So I went ahead, bought 2 more on here, right? And yeah, that's where we're going from, bro. Now we're okay. We broke through the 1 minute for sure, but no, we're still holding the 1 minute right here. Okay. kind of crazy right here, bro. What we got going on right here. But yeah, dude. So that's the reason why you said I ended up buying two more. At what time you start streaming, bro? I usually start streaming around 9. I ended up fucking, bro. I've been kind of sick, bro, or I guess so, or something like that, bro. Fucking everything's been going on with my immune system lately, bro. Like fucking my heart hurts for some reason, bro. I'm fucking getting these sniffles, bro. Getting a little sick, bro. And then yeah, and like now, like when I woke up, I was good, bro. I woke up at 7. I woke up pretty early, bro. I woke up like at like 7 a.m. Stayed up. I'm chilling, just eat, right? All of a sudden, bro, my fucking body starts like feels like I'm about to fucking sleep any second, right? So I was like, you know what, bro? I'm gonna go ahead and just take my nap. But I usually stream all the time at 9 a.m., bro. Around 9 a.m. for sure. Like sometimes I get on maybe 5 minutes early, but latest by latest like 9:15, right? 9:15, 9:20. Those are like kind of like the latest times. But yeah, dude. So yeah, I always stream every single day, bro. Every single day, unless it's like a holiday or something like that. Like banks are closed, like Memorial Day. I wasn't on even though fucking it was open, right? I just didn't expect a lot of good. That was my nap for me to wake up in case I did, in case I fell asleep. Let's go, big. Hey, what's up, Elijah, bro? Elijah, my dog. Elijah, we're in this trade, bro, but we got 30 minutes before Powell speaks, bro. So low key, this shit. Ooh. Hopefully we make this move fast, bro. Definitely don't want to be in here while he talks. How'd you do today, Elijah, bro? You were up or not? Damn, bro, it definitely sucks. It's like we were holding this shit. My boy Elijah, bro. Yeah, Elijah, bro, you were up or what, man? What'd you take? We caught the shorts right here. Bro, I wanted to hop in shorts too, bro. But I was like, it was like kind of early, like I don't like trading before 9 a.m. And I was like, I was looking at it, like, yeah, we're gonna keep pumping. I reverse, whatever. Went around, did some shit, came back like around this time. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Like, yo, low key insane, bro. Dude, fire though. Yeah, you caught that short, fucking good shit, bro. I wish I was still up, bro, and like I don't even know why. Like I'm pretty sure I was still here, bro, and I didn't even take it off this retracement for some reason, dude. But fire trade right there, bro. That's what it means. Yeah, we're having some good push downs, but we just keep getting brought up. Bro, my fucking camera's all dirty as fuck now too. Well, Lucas, he got shorts and he got long at the bottom too. Lucas. Okay, bro. You Lucas Sauce, bro. Took some fire trades, bro. Yeah, guys, we're probably gonna make this move during Powell speaks.
Yellow diamonds look like PP. Bitches fly from DC on my Pt.2. 3P. Niggas is my sons and that's on repeat. Sins of the father, so I call you little Michis. It's easy. How could you and me be? Ever seen his peers? Can't compare. You just CC. Don't you know?
Oh, guys, yeah, this might be an L trade, bro. We don't want to be breaking below it. Bro, just go ahead and make that move down already. Back, bro, my cat made a mess in my room. I had to clean it up. So when do you trade? Nah, you're good, bro. I always trade basically, bro, like around 9 a.m. So latest I'll be trading. Latest I'll start up my stream is like 9:15 a.m. So it's like 30 minutes after market open. In case you're not like in my time, bro. So like 30 minutes after market open. I try to skip the first 30 minutes, bro, just because it's like it's too volatile. Where I'm like, oh, right, like sometimes we're just not even going in a direction. We're just volatile as fuck, right? So I try to skip that for a little bit. So yeah, like around 9:15. I do skip out on bank holidays and shit. I try not to trade on those days, or so those are the days I'm not on. You know what I mean? But yeah, for the most part, bro, I'm literally always on every single day. Just this is basically like my journal, right? I'm just journaling up my shit, and just keeps me on track, bro. It keeps me like holding me accountable, as in like making smart trades. Like I definitely don't want to be gambling and then like get flamed on. You know what I mean? So definitely, recording does help. I feel like psychology wise. But yeah, bro, I've been streaming for about like 3 months, bro. Yeah, I'd say like 3 months, guys. So yeah, bro, shit that has helped, bro. Definitely helps me aligned, get aligned with my shit. I know, guys. We're in a trade right before Powell speaks. Fuck, I know, bro. I'm honestly thinking about just holding it too. That's great. True, bro. I wish I had my PC so I could stream. Stream helps us in psychology. Yeah, dude, definitely, bro. 1000%. Definitely do think that it does help us, bro. Bro. So like, you don't have your PC? Are you like out of town? I'm guessing, or what, bro? Or do you only have like a laptop right now? Is that all you got? Cause bro, yeah, I mean, I started off on a laptop for like 4 months, bro. No, like, yeah, like 4 or 5 months, and I have. No, I'm lying, bro. I was on that shit for I'm like five or 6 months, bro. Laptop. I had HDMI, so I would connect it to like a smaller TV screen, right? It wasn't really a monitor, just a smaller screen. And I would just go ahead and have like two charts pulled up at the same time, right? So I have two layouts I'm looking at. But yeah, that's definitely what I did, bro. Hey, hey, it worked. It worked until then. And I was like, all right, let's go ahead and buy this PC, bro. Right? Wrote it off as a tax write-off, so we were really chilling, bro. So I'm from India, so basically parents pressured me to sell my PC. Damn, bro. That sucks, bro. I'm sorry, mom, bro. But look, bro, I mean, a lot of these people, since I was getting too much on it, that's funny, bro. But a lot of these people that do hop on the stream, bro, they usually only trade on a laptop. So it's not just you, bro. You know what I mean? But bro, I mean, you could buy a little webcam. I know they're like pretty. They might be a little expensive on them, but I bought mine off Amazon, bro. It was like maybe like 40, 50 bucks, right? Bought it on Amazon. Hey, I mean, it's the one y'all looking at right now. It low key looks bad though. I feel like on stream, but whenever I like record it and I post it later, it looks a lot better, right? Which is kind of weird. But yeah, no, dude, I love this little webcam right here, bro. Honestly, solid. So yeah, bro. But yeah, bro. I would just journal your trades, bro, as much as you can. Fuck it, bro. Make a little Instagram, bro. You know what I mean? And like you know what I mean? Just be like, okay, this is what I'm doing. Or you know what? Honestly, bro, you could also I'm pretty sure you could live stream your laptop. Just download OBS, and if you want, open up on another computer like your OBS settings, right? Like connect it with the HDMI port to something else like a TV. You can put your OBS right there so they won't see it, and you could just live stream this without showing your face. I think, and like your voice would be connected and all that. I think if you want to go that route, that could definitely help you out, bro. If you really want to be like, I want to hold myself accountable, yes, go ahead and do that, bro. You don't gotta start with the fanciest of stuff. You know what I mean? So yeah, bro. Download OBS. Uh, and you don't really need another computer, right? You can just put it on the computer you're about to stream with, and it lets you like stream record just how I'm doing right here, bro. Right? The app was completely free, so I would just go ahead and do that, bro. If you really want to do that, bro, I think that would be a fire plan. I have a Mac and I hate it. It's so complicated. I have to buy cable converters to connect my mouse. Yeah. Oh, okay. But yeah, I mean, bro. But even then, you said I have a Mac and I hate it so complicated. Yeah. I got you. I got you. I have a Mac too, bro. Shit was where I started it all on, man. Before this, bro, it was a different laptop. It was like I had like this old school, bro. That shit was like 30 minutes to market, bro. It was like going like the fans were blowing and shit. Like that shit was just like way too high. You know what I mean? That shit was not loading up, bro. But yeah, dude. This is basically where I started off on, bro. And I started off with my old one, but then I got this one like maybe a month after, right? Yeah, dude, I fucking love this, bro. Loki, where I started off on, bro. But yeah, no, Jamal, I'm telling you, bro. If you were there in the room, what the fuck's that noise, bro? It sounded like like Xbox 360, bro. Like loading up a fucking big ass game, bro. Just straight fans going crazy. But yeah, bro. Look, Jamal, if I was you, bro, if you don't have to, right? But if you really want to start streaming and shit, bro, just go ahead and do it, bro. Literally, like, I think I'm sure you got a friend that will probably watch, that you got in trading. He'll probably watch it, bro. That kind of helps you. Like that's basically why I did it too. I was like, well, go ahead and record, see, how far I get. Not like sub wise. I mean, like I definitely love, the support and everything, right? But I just want to hold myself accountable. I want to look back at it later on, whenever I am profitable, and just be like, damn, bro, like this was me, bro. And also help me, like my boys would be like, all right, let me go watch your stream, bro, see what you traded on. Or like obviously they would see my trades if I lose, win, right? So definitely wanted to stay away from those losing days, right? Where I traded bad. I'm like, oh shit, don't watch that. It's like why? So there you go, bro. It definitely helped me. I know Powell is speaking, bro. To put break even. Yeah, definitely. I'm thinking about I'm just wants to have more of a retracement back down, bro. I think I might just go ahead and put stops right there. Just a little bit. Well, this 5 minute close right here, and then we'll go ahead and put our shit a little bit like right here, probably. There we go. Alright, we finally broke out of this, right? So we got a 5 minute right there. Bro, I know. I was speaking in 16 minutes to your shit. I know. Trying to hopefully this trade hits before then. I just know though, Hamidu effects, bro, that it's probably just gonna try to liquidity sweep this, bro. We'll probably keep making that move down. See how ES is performing like. ES is kind of like still the same, around the same as this. So your trade hit stop us. Oh, okay, because you run longs on Euro, huh? Hey, whatever, bro. Look, we all lose here and there, bro. Hey, if it was a good trade, it was a good trade, bro. You know what I mean? Like, literally, there's no such thing as a 100% win rate. So, fuck you, bro. You know what I mean? Wait for another setup. Don't try to force it. Catch you a banger, bro. Gosh. Oh, shit. It's reversal, bro. Damn, bro. We got 13 minutes before Powell speaks. Don't do us dirty, Powell. I know, I do. You do not be trading whenever he speaks, bro. Like a fucking hour before, though. Sheesh, man. Fuck it, bro. Let's just open up chest right here and play it. Buddy, trust me. Hamidu, bro. I understand. Understand what you're saying, bro. see what you're saying. Yeah, I see it too, my guy, bro. I'm hearing you out, bro. But it's not that I don't think anything about you. I'm just saying, bro. Like I like to stick to my own shit, bro. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit, bro. Right? But nah, bro. Like I just try to exclude all outside factors, bro. I mean, bro, if that makes sense, right? So like I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to be like, bro, you don't know what you're talking about. Nah, nothing like that, bro. I'm just excluding these, people trying to tell me like, hey, bro, switch your position up. You know what I mean? If I learn the hard way, bro, then I learn the hard way. That makes sense, bro. Yeah, and I appreciate it. I mean, appreciate it, bro. But nah, dude, like just yeah, I swear I'm not trying to be like any type of disrespectful or not, anything like that. Nah, bro. Like I hear you out. I got the same worries in the back of my head too. Like, bro, we got Powell speaking, bro. This is crazy, right? But fuck it, bro. We got a good setup. Usually, whenever he does speak, we do end up following the setup, right? Which is he speaks, right? I definitely got to go pee, bro. I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna do and all y'all, bro. So I'm gonna be right back, bro. Powell about to talk was gonna say anything great. You know, Powell speaks. Yeah, nah, guys. I hear y'all out. I hear you out, Sauce. Hamilton. I hear y'all out, my guys. Watch you go. Where do you go? Take the winning day, man. The winning day is only 100, bro. I got you though, Sways. I got you, bro. Yeah, winning day is only really 100. I'm not saying, oh shit, we gotta make more, but I think of it more like a break even day, right? If we end up losing, we're only gonna be down 100 too. Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, I know that Sways, bro. Bro is definitely gonna move the market like crazy right now. It's 200. Yeah, I'm down 200, but I'm gonna be like, since I already have 100, I'm only gonna be down like 100 right there. How many days till payout? I already got my payout, my first one. So we got like 4 more days till the second one if I want to get a second one. So yeah, like 4 more days, Sways, man. So MES is looking like. There we go. We're already moving it out. We're at the bottom of ES, right? But if we stay here, yeah, we're probably gonna get stopped out for sure. If we're in this range whenever Powell speaks. We just tapped into our supply zone off of on SPY, right? ES. Yeah, I mean, you're already at 2K or some payout right now, like 4 more small winning days. We'll bang another 2K. Yeah, Sways. Yeah. That's what I was thinking about too, bro. I was like, I could just fucking bang out to 3K and get another payout. But yeah, dude, yeah, 3K is where we took the last payout, bro. But took us really long. But honestly, all I can say is like, I'm happy we fucking held the account through the price action we had, right? So yeah, happy about that. But it's like, bro, like, this is the most like break even I've ever been. Usually, we got taken out right now. This happens, we're locking the account obviously right away because we're gonna get our day started. But yeah, no, dude, that shit was actually wild. Let's focus up. Let's see. You stopped out soon or not? Yeah, dude. But yeah, if we bang out another 3K, that would be fire, bro. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get out of this trade already. We're at the top. What we got going on here, man? Guys, it closes out. We get closed out, whatever. But yeah, dude, that's the plan, bro. We gotta keep stacking up fucking these wins, though. We've been pretty consistent, right? But low key lately, bro, like I've been really trying to focus on this trailing shit, right? It's like I will trail, right, and then we just like this. And I'm sure all y'all have had this happen, right, bro? But like that's like all right, we're gonna try to trail, get more of our TV, and just full on hits our stop loss, right? What the fuck? And whenever I try to trail tightly, bro, right? I trailed tightly, hit our stop loss, and it would keep going up to our TP. So I'm trying to figure out, okay, what goes wrong whenever I trail tightly? What goes wrong when I trail super long, right? So I've gotten 3 payouts, and I've never gotten a second payout on account. If you get it, it's a sign you're going places for sure. Yeah, if we get it, Sway. But yeah, no, appreciate it, bro. Dude, that's fire though. 3 payouts, dude. Congrats, bro. That's big, bro. To take a contract off, bro, it's not gonna matter. It's like $10, right? Not really too worried. Yeah, I hear you, dude. It's just like $10 and me taking off. $10 isn't really much to have me stressing. Bro, that's fire, Swace, bro. 3 payouts, bro. It's low key fire, dude. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna try to, hopefully keep this account. If it doesn't, bro, we end up not keeping it. Whatever, bro. I definitely don't think I might be a little bit sad for sure, bro. I think I'm like fuck, but I mean same shit, bro. We're just gonna keep building it, you know what I mean? Get another payout, get another eval, right? Try to pass it. Just go back to it, bro. Like we already did this shit for about a year, right? So it really doesn't matter. If that makes sense, bro. Yeah, oh yeah, no, definitely Swayze. Yeah, no, bro. I'm definitely locking out, bro. And I think we're gonna get fucking ticked right here and we're gonna keep going down our way, but I'm not gonna risk any more than we already have, right? If we're down 100, I'm fine with being down 100. Down 200, 300, it's like, alright, bro. Like, nah, I'm chilling, bro. You know what I mean? But yeah, bro. If I lose the account, bro, I think, yeah, it's like, fuck, dude, we really lost this account. But I think, just keep. I definitely do think losses are gonna happen, bro. I lose, win, lose, win, lose, win, bro. So back and forth cycle, bro. So trailing stops is so simple. I would trail this stop above the high right now, even though it's only a little bit. Like right here, what you're saying? You're talking about like right here. Okay, I see what you're saying, yeah, bro. But like, I would trail back, still to this day, bro. Like I trailed on this trade. I took a long right here, solid, bro. I waited for the double bottom. I don't just be like, oh, double bottom, long, right? Waited for that first green candle. Boom, right? Solid. I was like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and enter it, right? We do have a good zone right here. Went ahead, entered it. And I ended up putting my stops really, really tight because of how much we bounced off here. I was like, all right, but we're going to tighten it up right here. Ended up hitting it. And like sometimes I would go break even, like stops to break even. And it ended up going exactly where I wanted, bro. This trade was a dumbass trade. Saw view all rejection, zone rejection. I wasn't even taking into account this engulfing we had, right? Which is usually what I like taking my trades off of. Didn't even take it into account, bro. And I ended up losing that trade. I was like, bro, that was a dumbass trade. Why was I not looking at 5 minutes? Yeah, oh, I got you. Yeah, you said like right there. Solid, solid. Damn, bro, 1 minute. Chances of us getting stopped out are pretty high, bro. Like I definitely do think they're high, bro. We shouldn't keep it like this though. But yeah, dude, fucking yeah, a lot of these trades that I trail tight on, we end up hitting my TP. A lot of these trades where I don't trail tight, we end up hitting my stop loss and being stopped out, right? So I'm definitely trying to figure out when to take profits, when to not take, when to keep holding, right? Definitely a thing we need to fucking do better on, right? But yeah, dude, yeah, that's really it, bro. All right, guys, we got 20 seconds before this guy says a word, and that's how we're gonna go. You know what I mean? Where it's like, yay, 9 seconds, bro. Really, really, already super tight, bro. We're down 100. We're down 100. Not really tripping. There we go, bro. This is the first power trade, bro. First power trade ever taken. For me, at least, you know what I mean? For me. This power trade gonna cook us? Most likely, bro. Chances of us getting cooked? Most likely, bro. Definitely, though, could see us decent these lows, bro. Definitely don't like this 5 minute candle we had. This fucking Drake candle, bro, to the upside. Not look good. I love this rejection we have, though. Hinge candle, a lot of rejection, bottom of the zone. Yes is looking like we're holding the bottom of the zone to go higher.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, and that's it, bro. That's the murder she wrote right there. Alright, we're down 100, guys. That's really not that bad. Go ahead and look at our fucking progress we have been making. So yeah, down 100 for the week. We started off with 257. We ended up trading 80, bro. But yeah, so what the account's looking like, guys. We're stuck between this like 2,000 range. I mean, besides the payout, right? But goodness gracious, man, we've been stuck in a rut. So this is how the account's looking like, right? Looking at ES, we will for sure see higher, so I can already see. But yeah, dude, we took a L. This trade should have been it for us, guys. We just, I don't know, trailing wasn't it. This trade was honestly a dumb trade. Can't agree on that. This trade was honestly a super good trade. I liked it other than the fact that Powell was speaking, right? But all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end stream. Get our fucking day going on, man. L for the day, $100 loss day, bro. Diana, you said, just when will I request another payout? Another payout is probably gonna be at that 3K marker or 4K marker. Most likely gonna be that 3K marker, right? But yeah, bro, keep stacking. We're gonna keep stacking up this wins, bro. Losses, we're gonna try to minimize them, bro. Definitely, this loss today was definitely 100% avoidable, right? So you got your first XFA and don't know exactly how to manage it though in terms of payouts. Okay, Diana. So basically, bro, I mean, I'm pretty sure you know the rules. 5 days, yeah, 5 days of at least $200 green days, right? And basically, whatever happens, right? Let's say you only get like $1,000, right? If you want to pull it out, well, you only get 500. But after that, you only have $500 drawdown, right? So it'll be $500, and your drawdown will be $0. So if you have that and you end up hitting $0, your account's boom, terminated, right? You got to start all over again with the eval. Don't stress out too much, bro. If this is your first one, this is your first. Come on, don't try to. Okay, I'm gonna do this differently. Just stick to your trading plan. You obviously did something right if you were able to get it funded, right? So stick to your trading plan. Don't try to, add on top of these other rules. Just keep, keep at it. I would say don't try to aim for home runs as much. I know I would always, I think that was one of my problems. I'd be like, oh shit, I'm trying to aim for this much ticks because I'll be making this much. Oh my god, it could change my life, right? Chill, just go back to how you've been trading. Don't think about the money. Think about that. Okay, progress, right? I mean, bro, look at my account. If you look at it, bro, right? Fucking up, down, break, a lot of break even days, right? Fucking 46% win rate. That's horrible. Oh my goodness, we should be like 53. But yeah, don't be worried about. So I might wait till I have like 3K and ask 1K, something like that. All good. Yeah. If that's what you feel comfortable with, yeah, definitely, man. I would say though, if you're pretty new and you're eligible for that payout, just go ahead and take that payout. All right. Go ahead. If you're pretty new, like let's say you just started trading about 4 or 5 months ago, I'll go ahead, get that payout. All right. Just take the money, bro. All right. So yeah, this is it. This is like Diana. This is my first week, right? Bro said all good small last week. Yeah, sauce. We locked the account away. Bro said 46% win rate is horrible. Well, for me, bro, I mean, fuck, I was at 53. But yeah, look. This is how it's gonna look like for you. I'm pretty sure too. Yeah. Okay. If you start, okay, go ahead. As soon as you're eligible for that first payout, like around 2K, go ahead and take it. Is what I would do. I would just go ahead and take it. See, you know what I mean, and just keep trading until then. But look, week 1, right? I had a really good week before April, right? Like this week, right? The first week of April was fire. In March, I went fucking dumb on the eval, right? Okay, whatever. Skip past that. Break even. Lost 2. It says 4 because I took out a few contracts, right? But I ended up down 530. We're up 41. Yeah, right. 50, negative 51 for the week. Not too bad, bro, right? Second week, down for 40, break even. Good dub. Down again, right? 267. I was like, this week was really good. Really good. 959 just because of Asia session trade I took on Sunday, right? Okay, I made like 500 on Monday. 319, 307. Took a small L. Took a dub. Really best week so far, right? Look, 209, loss, a little small loss, dub, 453. Honestly, not that bad. Loss, crazy day, one of my biggest days, 1010. What's up, Raj? Yeah, I ended up taking an L though, Raj. Okay, didn't trade this day, very bad price action, didn't like any of it, right? Boom, down 460, down 260, down 88 on one of my best days, right? Down again, up 400, didn't trade, up 644, took a break even day, 566. Like this is just basically how it's all been going, right? 566, usually what we've been at. And yeah, now we're down 100. Oof, sheesh. So yeah, pretty bad, but we're just trying to keep stacking. Definitely, good luck on your first funded. I would get the payout though if you hit around 2K on it, since it is like your first one. Just go ahead and get that payout. And yeah, dude, good luck. Rod, dude, I only set like 40 minutes, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and eat something and try to hit this gym real quick. I gotta at least get a pump in before I head to work. But yeah, guys. Basically one win out of 3. Didn't do that hot in it, bro. I might just skip it. Oof. All right, if you say skip, bro. Seems like you always lose on Monday. It's easy, yeah, dude. Mondays have been biting my ass lately, bro. Yeah, dude, look at that. Mondays have been biting my ass. First it was Thursdays, and then yeah, like oh shit, Thursdays are an entire profitable day. Tuesdays are a fire day for us though, bro. Look at this, fire day on Tuesdays. But yeah, Yeah, dude, you said skip. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, low key though, it sounds like it, right? But definitely don't want to add that superstition to it. Like, well, I always lose on Mondays. I'm skipping like that. Keep trading it, right? You worked at so I was like closed, bro. I'm 3 to 11:30. But fuck it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Appreciate all y'all tuning in, Raj. I know I only said like a few minutes, bro. Hopefully tomorrow we feel a lot better, bro. 'Cause fuck, dude, like my head feels like it's like fucking crammed up right now, dude. My immune system has been fucking horrific, bro. I don't know why. I have an amazing immune system. But all right, man. Yeah, see, I can go ahead and see the losses. Boom, loss, dub, loss. But all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and journal these real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot all this. And yeah, man, it's gonna be on the Discord if y'all join, bro. Discord's free. I'm not trying to sell you on anything. It's just literally my journaling trees, right? If y'all want to see why I entered on some shit. If y'all got questions, for sure to tap into the Discord. But we're gonna go ahead and end it, guys. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a great night, man. Good luck to y'all that do trade, bro. I wish I could trade, but I already locked the account and we're down $100 for the day. I pleaded you not to short, probably market reacted to PMI data. Yeah, Raj, you did, bro. I'm just a dumb not going, bro. Nah, but honestly, look good to short here, bro. But all right, y'all, man. Y'all have a great day, bro. Enjoy y'all's day, bro. Fucking go dumb on these charts, man. See y'all.